Have you ever needed to share a PDF but wanted to hide sensitive information like names, phone numbers, email addresses, signatures, account numbers, or confidential business data? Simply drawing a black box over the text isn't always enough because the hidden content may still be recoverable in some PDF files. That's why you need a proper PDF redaction tool. Today, we're taking a look at Softaken Visual Redaction PDF Online Free, a simple browser-based solution that helps you visually redact confidential information before sharing your PDF. The problem: many people share PDFs containing personal or confidential information without realizing the risks. Sensitive details such as personal information, financial records, legal documents, medical reports, business contracts can accidentally become visible to unauthorized people. Editing PDFs manually is often difficult, and many professional PDF editors are expensive or require installation. The solution: Softaken Visual Redaction PDF Online Free makes the entire process quick and simple. Since it's an online tool, there's nothing to install. Just open the website in your browser, upload your PDF, mark the areas you want to hide, and download the updated document. The tool is designed for users who need a fast and convenient way to visually hide confidential information before sharing PDF files. How to use. Step 1. Upload your PDF. Start by opening the tool in your web browser. Drag and drop your PDF into the upload area, or click to select a file from your computer. Step 2. Set page and rectangle coordinates. Once your PDF is uploaded, choose the page containing the sensitive information. Then position and adjust the rectangle over the area you want to cover. You can resize or move the rectangle until it completely hides the confidential content. Step 3. Apply visual redaction. After positioning the rectangle, apply the visual redaction. The tool places black rectangles over the selected areas directly in your browser, making the hidden information no longer visible in the document. Step 4. Download. Finally, review your document to ensure every sensitive section is properly covered. Softaken Visual Redaction PDF Online Free offers several useful benefits. Private and local. Your data stays on your device. Free to use. No account or subscription required. No installation. Works directly in your web browser. Instant results. Fast processing with no waiting. Original PDF preserved. Your source file remains unchanged. Desktop version available. Ideal for advanced and batch processing needs. If you need a fast and easy way to visually redact sensitive information in PDF files, Softaken Visual Redaction PDF Online Free is a great choice. Try it today for secure and hassle-free PDF sharing. Thanks for watching.